Here I have Realme 9i, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located right here. So you just have to put on device into the hole next to the slot, slightly push it, and the slot will come out. Here you have to put your SD card and here your SIM card, and then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there should appear, as you can see, there appeared a notification that SD card found. You can manage your SD card and so on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.